Hey, in this video we will see how you can create a simple sales funnel all inside ProductDyno using collections. So what I mean is this simple funnel. In this example, I'm going to create a front-end offer or product and then upsell 1 and upsell 2. So let's see how you can do it. Once you are inside your ProductDyno account, go to products. First you need to create each product for each offer. So one product for your main offer, one product for your upsell, one and one product for your upsell 2. What I have done is I already have created 3 products and I have tagged them. By the way, you can easily tag any product for easy access if you have multiple products inside ProductDyno. And if you are wondering how I get this list view, so we have a couple of views here, this card view and list view. So you can easily switch between them. What I have done is I have created 3 products, one for my main offer, HeatSeek main, and one for my upsell one that I call HeatSeek extended version. And the last upsell 2 is for done for you templates. So I name it HeatSeek templates. You don't need to overthink when creating product. While you just need to create a product. Don't worry about the domain and access and anything else. We will come to this in a minute. You just need to put all of the content of your product inside Content Designer, and that's all. Once you are done with creating all of your products, you need to go to collections and create a collection for your offer or your product. I have created this HeatSeek collection. Once you are inside the collection, you just need to click on Content Designer, and now you need to add all of your products, or you can say offers, one by one to this collection. So let's get started. I will hit this add and will select my HeatSeek main offer, and then you would need to keep this option. Actually it's optional, but for main offer I would suggest that keep it open. And what does it mean is this show to non-buyer is, for example, you sell an upsell, and once someone logs into your membership and he or she has not bought this product while you are offering it initially, but what you want to utilize this opportunity and want to upsell this again. So this option will be very handy, and once someone comes inside, instead of access this particular product, they will see a button buy now, and when they click on it, they will be redirected to this particular sales page, this product sales page that you have. Okay, in this case, since it is my main product, I need to put my main sales page URL. By the way, I am going to use the ProductDyno pages. So what I can do is let's say, for example, click on cancel and click exit. And actually I will open this pages into new tab, so I don't have to worry, or it's very easy to copy. What I have done, I have created 3 sales pages for my main sales page, my upsell 1 and upsell 2. You can see it is my main sales page. They are just rough pages I created for this example, so don't worry about the look and feel. And let's go back to our Content Designer and hit this add product again, select this main product and enable this option. So if someone does not have access to this, I want the person to go to this particular page, I will just copy the page URL and paste here. It's as simple as that. If you are not using ProductDyno's pages, that's totally fine. You can use any other page. Maybe you are hosting it on your website or somewhere. So just put your website URL or the sales page URL where your main offer is hosted, and click this add button, and it is added. Now click add again and select your upsell one. In my case, it is extended version. I will keep this show to non-buyer, and I already have created this extended sales page. I will copy the URL, come back and paste it. It's as simple as that. You can see this button says access. If I had selected this, let me edit it again and show you. if I had selected this show to non-buyer, and when someone logs in, not inside the editor but in actual membership, when someone logs in, instead of saying this access, it would say buy now, and when they click on it, it will be, the person will be redirected to this particular sales page. So this is really handy and allows you to earn or upsell even if someone has missed it with your initial offering. So it's really handy and makes really sense. I will add my another offer. So I would do the same and copy this DFI templates page, paste it here and hit this add button. So now if someone buys this collection with this heat-seek main product, they will see this, and they will also see these two upsells if they have missed it. If in some cases you want to provide only upsell while you are offering it for a limited time or something, in those cases you might turn this off, so they will never see this product inside the collection when they log in. So this is about adding the products inside collection. And let's go back to collection, click on exit. Now you need to set up the payment gateways, right? So click on payment gateways, and I haven't created a checkout page. What we will do first, we will create a checkout for our main offer. So hit this one. I will select this default one for this example and click next. And let's say select Stripe, and I want to price $49 for my main offer. So heat-seek, I would say heat-seek access. I would not say main access or something. Okay, this is really important. Thank you page URL. What I want, when someone buys this access or main access, I want them to see my upsell page. So I want to show them an upsell page. So what I will do, once someone buys this, I will redirect them to my first upsell. So I will copy this URL again and paste it here. One more thing I need to do, I will uncheck this, or because I don't want to give all of these product access, but I want to have access to only heat-seek main when they purchase this $49 product, and just hit the save button. That's all. Now what you need to do is create another checkout, and by the way, if you want, if might be, you might have designed your checkout and all that, so you just need to duplicate it instead of creating this checkout page from scratch. Okay, so in this second checkout, I want to give the extended version, and I will select my Stripe and account, and I want to give I want to sell this $99 for $99. And what I want is when they buy this particular upsell, the extended version, I want them to see my second upsell offer. So instead of sending them to the thank you page or somewhere else, I would send them to the second offer because of this. So once they buy the front end, they will be redirected to upsell 1, and once they buy this upsell 1, they will be redirected to upsell 2. So I copied, that's why the upsell 2 URL, and I will paste it here. And since this is the extended version only, so I will deselect it and will select this heat-seek extended version only and hit the save button. Okay, what I want now is once they have purchased or cancel or actually skip this upsell 2 as well, I would send them to a thank you page that your account has been created and welcome email has been sent and all that. So let's create our third checkout page for the upsell 2, and this is heat-seek. These are my done for you templates. So I will select my Stripe account again, and I want to sell them $199 live. Actually, I want to sell them for every year $99 per year. Okay, no trial. Okay, so I want to send them now to thank you page, but you can see I have not created a thank you page. So let's quickly create a thank you page. Let's start, and I will just name it thanks and create, and quickly create a thank you page. Okay, it's creating a page there. Okay, so once I'm inside here, I will just probably drag a content layout, a very simple one. So let's say this one, and let's delete this row. It is heading 3. It is black color, so maybe we can just change the background color. Okay, so I will just say thanks for your purchase. Please check your inbox for login credentials. Okay, and for this our purpose, I will say thank you. Okay, so this is a very simple page. I will just hit publish. Nothing fancy. You can create a fancy page, of course, if you want. And we will just copy this thank you page URL, go back to our checkout, and we'll enter this thank you page URL. And what I need to do is, again, the similar process, just select this heat-seek templates. So they get access to templates when they buy it, and if they cancel the subscription, the access to heat-seek done for you templates will be revoked. It is as simple as that. Click on save, and actually that's all. Your whole funnel is ready. And when someone buys this particular checkout, let's see how does it look. So this is our checkout for front end offer, and similarly we have checkouts for upsell 1 and upsell 2 as well. So this is pretty much all. There is one thing that I can show you what you can do if you want to integrate your email service. So if you are using Aweber, MailChimp, Kit or Grot as an email service, you can easily integrate with ProductDyno. And that's really handy because if someone buys your let's say front end product and does not buy the upsell, so you can send them email from your email service to buy to offer them buy this upsell again. So what you can do is there is a little trick. So what I will do, while you are inside the collection, you need to go to integrations and select a service. I already have integrated my email service, so I will select this, and I already have a few lists there. So for this collection, I will select my main product. I don't know where it is. Okay, this is here, heat-seek main product, and we'll save it. But for upsell 1 and upsell 2, I will not integrate them here in the collection. But what I will do, I will go to products, and let me select this heat-seek tag. And so I will not integrate email service for this heat-seek main inside the product itself because I already have integrated it inside collection. But for extended one, I will, let's say, open a new tab and go to integrations and select the service again. I already have integrated this email service and heat-seek extended, and then click on save. That's all. I will do the same for this heatseek templates. Click on integrations, select service, and heatseek templates. Okay, so what happens now when someone buys your main product? They will be added to your email service with this particular in this particular main list. And what I can do now is, let's say someone does not buy this heatseek extended, I can email them. So you get the idea, right? You can do all of your automations and everything inside your email service. Let's go back to collection. Just last thing about the domain and all that. So when you go to the domain and access, you can set your domain here for the collection. You don't need to set up the domains and everything inside product. It is just for email integration, and that's all, and other files and all that integration. But for look and feel and where user will access, you need to come to collection and setup. Even for your welcome email, you need to set this welcome email inside your collection. So you can do all of customize all of these emails and everything. So yeah, I mean this was 15 plus minutes long video, but I hope that this really helps you, and you can create any type of funnels right inside ProductDyno. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.